What if you could start a global business, a business that you could operate wherever you have access to a cell phone or the internet? A business where you could hire a team of professionals who would handle every aspect of your business, from the legal department to research and development, customer and client services, all of your marketing, all of your IT and software development and maintenance, and do it seamlessly in more than 120 countries in their languages and in their currencies. And the product was pure gold, gold that you didn't have to mine or refine. And it was of the highest purity available on the planet in 1, 2.5, and 5 gram increments that are affordable for the masses with no selling, no startup cost, or monthly expenses ever. Wouldn't that be great? Well, that company is Karatbars International. Hi, my name is Mike Dalcoe, and I'm an independent affiliate with Karatbars, and I'm very excited about this opportunity because Mr. Harold Seiss, the CEO and founder of Karatbars, has removed all of the obstacles and also all of the excuses. There is no reason that you can't have success with this opportunity. All we're doing is saving money in gold and getting paid to share with others how to do the same. If you're not having success in Karatbars, there are only a couple of reasons. One is you're not staying plugged in and keeping in close contact with the source of the information that's being disseminated through your organization. And number two, you're just not trying. You've been saturated with the idea that you have to go and work for somebody 8 to 10 hours a day and fight through traffic and get back home only to do it again the next day. And if you're like me and a lot of other people around the world, you've worked most of your life, if not all of your life, and you have nothing to show for it. I was reading a stat just a moment ago that says that 85% of the people in the world by age 65 don't have $200 in the bank. So with those stats in mind, what's your game plan? I mean, what other plan is going to give you all those attributes and all those people working for you free of charge with no expenses, no employees, no insurance, no geographic location being locked to where you can only get customers from people who pass by your geographic location, and you have an unrestricted opportunity to only do one major thing: save money, and save it in gold. We already know that the dollar is collapsing. Don't worry about the people who don't understand about gold. Your job is to look for people who understand that just 40 years ago, that $1 and 1 gram of gold had almost the same value. And today, that $1 has almost no value. I remember my grandmother sending me to the store with $1. I came back with a grocery bag full of items. Today, $1 won't buy anything. I mean, just even maybe 15, 20 years ago, this $100 bill and this 5 gram bar of gold was the same value. This had the same value as this just 15, 20 years ago. Today, this is half of this. It's less than half of it. This is 2.5 times this just 15 years later. So why would you ever save in this? Well, that's the whole business. We're stopping from saving in this and exchanging this for this. That's the business. Can you find a few people who that makes sense to? Well, if you can, Karatbars will pay you a commission for the people you share the importance of getting a free gold savings account. That's what we're doing. So there's no excuse. Hey, if that doesn't make sense to you, give me a call when you get off work. I'll be here because in 103 days, exchanging this for this, I was able to retire from my full-time job as a mortgage banker at Wells Fargo. Yeah, I had a great title. I wore pretty suits. But it was still a debt-based system. I was getting paid in paper and saving in paper, and all I did was made a shift from saving in this to saving in this. I thought I couldn't afford gold. But Harold Seiss and Karatbars International has made gold affordable to the masses, 1 gram at a time. Am I fired up? You better believe it, because all you have to do is look for people who understand the importance of saving in a tangible asset that spins off residual income, and you get paid in cash and gold. That's how simple this is. So get back to the person that shared Karatbars with you and find a viable option to the 9 to 5 grind by just saving in gold and sharing with others how to do the same. Karatbars is incredible. We're a freight train. You need to get on board.